If you start to walk, you will see many ways. Hi people, Vikram here, and today I'm going to tell you about the power of initiative. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It happens that many times we don't take initiative. Why? Because we have that fear of getting failed. We have that fear of thinking big. We have that fear of having that less confidence, less courage, and afraid of taking that risk. But what I want you to understand here is you need to avoid all this, forget all about these negative thoughts, and start working on yourself and start taking that action. Guys, see, it happens that, and I know that, or I believe that there are three kinds of people in this world. The first one is, first people consist of they make the things. The second people are they see how things are happening, and the third people consist of how this happened. And most of the people fall into the second and third category. They keep on wondering and they keep on watching others becoming successful. But I want you to get this change in your life and be in that first category where you make the changes. And how this will happening? This will happen only when you take that initiative in your life. And guys, when you don't take initiative, you will be stuck in the same place you have stuck in the same place for so many months, for so many years also. And I want you to come out of that, start taking that initiative, and when you start taking that initiative, you start seeing the changes. You have that enhanced life. And one of the important reason why people don't take initiative is like they feel that they are not prepared enough. And preparation means that they are not perfect. They keep on worrying that I'm not perfect enough, I should not start enough. But what I want you to understand here is, guys, even my YouTube channel started with 0 subscribers. Even my first video started with 0 second. And everything starts with 0, guys. And guys, 1 is always greater than 0. Until and unless you start taking that action, until and unless you start working on yourself, you will not get any results. You will be stuck in the same place if you don't continue to do. And guys, what I feel is that success is not a coincidence. Okay, it's a combination of your hard work, your path to the failure, and the consistent and the persistence in that failure. And when you fail again and again, you get that result. And the Honorable Nelson Mandela also said that if we are wrong, you either learn or you either win, but it doesn't happen that you lose. So guys, I want you to take this like you need to take any action in the first 30 seconds. Whatever is coming to you, whatever things that have come to you, make sure that you take that decision in first 30 seconds. What will happen if you take the decision in very first 30 seconds? It happens that whenever something comes to us, in the first 30 seconds, we have that positive thought over it. We think about getting that done and we'll find some way. But post 30 seconds, what happens now? You think, if you keep on thinking, you end up overthinking. And when you overthink, then you go to all those negative points which I told in the start of the video. And when you go to that level, then it happens that you tend to not take any action on the things which have came. So the first 30 seconds is really very important. It's really very crucial. Whatever comes, take that decision. Make sure that you say yes for that, and how it will be done can be figured out later. And guys, see, it's not that you need to. It will either happen that you will either win or you will learn something, but it should not happen that you don't take any decision in your life. And taking right decision is really very important. And how it will happen? By taking those wrong decision and working upon them and eliminating them in their next decision. And even Ratan Tata has also said that he don't take right decision, he takes the decision and make them right. Yes guys, it's a very important line. I want you to also take that decision, make them right. How to get the result depend upon your how good you are preparing it. And it will only happen when you start taking that action. And guys, what I feel is the most important difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is that successful people take that action and unsuccessful people, they don't take any action. So I want you to be in that successful zone where you start taking that action, fail again, but you will surely win one fine day. And I want to tell you one this quote I have read from Rahul Bhatnagar, where he says that, listen to me very carefully guys, it's uncertain that your life might change when you take that action, but it's absolutely certain that your life will not change when you don't take action. I will repeat it once again. It's uncertain that your life might change when you take that action, but it's absolutely certain that your life will not change if you don't take any action. So I want you to take that action, guys. Take that initiative, work on yourself, figure it out how to do, and decide in the very first 30 seconds. And when you decide and when you take that action in the very first 30 seconds, whatever will be happening later will be figured out. So make sure that you have that success story where you have all those combination of working hard, having that failures and that consistency. And yes, this will be the best example set for each and everyone out there. Hope you love this one and start taking that action, guys. Let's grow together, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this one.